What is up, y'all? What is up? Alright, so anyways, I'm over here at work, just chilling, just driving this truck, this bad boy. So anyways, just to get you guys caught up, I'm in Utah right now. I live in Utah because, some people still think I live in Vegas or something. So yeah, I work for this electrician company. It's called Hunt, H-U-N-T. And I've only worked here for like a week, and so I'm already driving this bad boy. Here, I'll show you guys what kind of truck it is. It's got that sign on top. You can't see it, but I'm trying to drive, and I don't want to get into a wreck at the same time as, while I'm driving, because that'll be really bad for my first week on the job. But damn, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of hard work in the sun. It's worth it though, Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you real quick. See that sign? That's the sign that like blinks, the two triangles or the two diamonds. And I'm making a turn. So anyways, yeah, everything's good in the neighborhood. I like my schedule. It's a Monday through Friday. But my trainer dude, he likes to finish this job by Thursday, and use Friday as like an overtime day. Or sometimes he'll just work like a few hours on Friday and then call it a day, because we already hit the 40 hours a week. So it's cool. I like it. Everything's good in the neighborhood. Got my shades on, got my bandana on, because it's freaking hot up in here, man. In Utah, it's about 90 degrees right now, maybe about 95. Way cooler than Vegas though, because I know right now Vegas is probably like 115 degrees. So anyways, but yep, I'll catch y'all later. Just wanted to show you guys what's up. Oh yeah, there's my trainer, by the way. He's driving the truck in front of me. Yeah. So he's got that truck, I got this truck. I'm like the guy behind him that clears out traffic so that nobody runs into us when we're installing electricity on the side of the road and stuff. But yep. So there you go. There you have it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'm going to try and vlog as much as I can. I know I've been slacking on everything. Vlogging, my videos, my everything. Just been caught up with work and, providing for the family, man. That's all. That's what it's about. If you guys got kids, you guys got to work real hard to make the money for your kids. All right, y'all. Peace.